Strengthen your liver and kidneys with this powerful smoothie. Much is talked about detox diets and recipes. However, not everybody knows exactly how they can help their bodies. Detoxification is any process done in the body that aims to eliminate or reduce the activity of chemical substances or molecules strange to the body. The main form of contact with these substances is through breathing, as is the case when we inhale the smoke of cars and cigarettes, through the skin, by makeup, and through eating, where chemical compounds, such as agrochemicals and pesticides found on foods are absorbed by the gastrointestinal tract. The body has a sophisticated way to eliminate these toxins, which involves the liver, kidneys, digestive system, skin, and lungs. However, because of the modern way of life, sometimes this function has its capacity reduced. So it is necessary to stimulate the natural capacity of eliminating undesirable and useless substances by using juices that combine powerful ingredients. In today's video, we will teach you the recipe of a powerful detox juice that uses carrot and cucumber and can strengthen organs such as the kidneys and liver, responsible for the function of filtrating and eliminating harmful substances from the body. But, what do these two ingredients have that is so special? Carrots are rich in minerals, vitamins A, B, C, and E, and potent antioxidants that improve lung, kidney and liver function, and also help prevent different types of cancer. Another benefit that carrots offer is that they help treat constipation, prevent stone formation in the kidneys, and also purify the intestines, eliminating toxins and helping the correct absorption of nutrients. When we eat it raw, it gives us the necessary enzymes to regulate the digestive system. Cucumber is an excellent food for the liver, being considered one of the best natural diuretics. It also fights liver fat and other inflammatory actions. Because it contains beta-carotene, vitamin C, flavonoids, and quercetin, cucumbers protect us against many chronic diseases. Its soluble fibers promote liver health, besides helping clean the intestine and making us feel more satiated. Do you want to try it? Learn how to make it. So, did you like this recipe? Make this juice and tell us what you think. Don't forget to subscribe Beauty Tips Guru. Thanks for watching.